miles per hour. So if you live in parts of Collin County, the Hunt County area, so here's some arrival times for you. Estimated nobility about 9:35, Trenton 9:36, Delba 9:39, the Frog Knot area about 9:40, Union Hill 9:41. So more problems on the roads because of some of that heavier rain that is falling. We are seeing the hail threat that is definitely there. The tornado warning, it was in only a couple more minutes here. They've gone ahead and just issued a new severe thunderstorm warning, so I don't anticipate a new tornado warning issue for that. You have there on the bottom of your screen, watch CBS programming over on TXA 21 during this tornado warning, and we initially came on because of one that was issued. We saw rotation, at least on the radar, near the Aubrey area that was moving through Denton County, then into parts of Collin County. That same area that prompted the storm, that prompted that tornado warning, now is continuing to move its way to the east, and a new severe thunderstorm warning from that. So most likely this tornado warning allowed to expire in just about a couple of minutes. So just giving you the larger view of all of North Texas, you can see through parts of Palo Pinto County now a severe thunderstorm warning until 10:15. That is for possibly some larger size hail. A new severe thunderstorm warning for Denton and southwest sides of Collin County. That's until 10:15. A new severe thunderstorm warning for Collin, Fannin, Grayson, and Hunt County. This is until 10:30. The threat has then switched now over to a hail threat and maybe a damaging wind threat, and also the potential of a flooding threat as we're seeing a larger amount of rain with these storms. So you're able to see there that the VIL density, which is a way for us to look at the potential hail size. And let's go ahead and sample some of that down the line. So starting in Collin County, north of McKinney, we're able to see that real fast. If we move up towards the McKinney area, Melissa will sample some of that hail size there for you, and it's possibly hail up to the size of a penny. So yeah, a bunch of penny size hail, at least for right there. Up near Melissa, maybe a little bit larger, possibly hail up to the size of a walnut, at least indicated by our radar, to a $50. So that's still a threat. That could be some damaging hail. Also, what's interesting, you noticed, let's switch back on if we can to our velocity product. This little cylinder that just popped up, and it's hard to show, at least on the storm winds there, we might, near Flower Mound beginning, right in that area, a couplet of some stronger winds. That's near Spinks Road. We can pop off the cylinder there, but this is 121. Again, here's 2499. Here's FM 340. Again, there's 35. So southwest of that, southeast of Flower Mound, northwest of Coppell, this area, not a tornado warning, but at least some stronger winds that are there on some of the radars that are showing up. Jeff, let's switch on over to Lynx 3 if we can. Jeff, you're able to look at that also with some of those winds that are trying to come in a little bit.
Yeah, at this time, I don't think that is necessarily a tornado threat, but it could be a downburst.
Yeah, so some stronger winds that are there. So we're now at 9:30. The Allen area has assigned the outdoor warning sirens are going off right now. You can't see the heavier rain there. So the tornado warning that was issued earlier is allowed to expire. We just have a number of severe thunderstorm warnings. So we're going to go ahead and wrap it up here on CBS 11 as we've been tracking the severe weather here. But don't forget, you can always download our CBS DFW app. We will have the latest coming up tonight on CBS 11 News at 10 o'clock. So by scanning that QR code there, right there on the screen, you can get the latest watches and warnings, the radar right there in your hand by downloading our CBS DFW app. And don't forget, we have our CBS DFW streaming service on 24/7.
This has been a CBS 11 News First Alert Weather Day update.